From sunny skies to frosty days navigating an Irish winter, let's have a look how to survive winters in Ireland from a Pakistani mom's perspective. First things first, layer up. Layering is essential to keep warm during the chilly Irish winters. Start with a thermal inner layer, then add a cozy sweater, and finally, top it off with a waterproof jacket. Don't forget a warm hat, gloves, and a scarf to protect your extremities from the biting cold. Next, let's winter-proof your home. Ensuring proper insulation in your house is crucial. Use weather stripping to seal any gaps in doors or windows, preventing drafts. A simple yet effective trick is to keep your curtains closed at night to retain the heat inside. And remember to frequently check your heating system to stay cozy. Irish winters call for comfort food. Try traditional warm dishes like hearty stews, creamy soups, and delicious casseroles. Sip on piping hot beverages such as chamomile or ginger tea to keep warm. And don't forget to enjoy the Irish delicacy, hot chocolate with marshmallows. To stay healthy through the winter months, boost your immune system. Pakistanis are fortunate to have a rich heritage of natural remedies. Incorporate Ayurvedic spices like turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon into your cooking. Additionally, staying hydrated, eating fresh fruits and vegetables, and getting enough rest will help keep those winter bugs at bay. Embrace the winter wonderland. Encourage your family to enjoy outdoor activities like building snowmen, sledding, or ice skating. Irish winters have their charm, so make the most of them by creating special memories with your loved ones. Remember, surviving an Irish winter is all about preparation and embracing the cozy vibes. By dressing appropriately, winter-proofing your home, enjoying comforting food and drinks, boosting your immunity, and engaging in outdoor activities, you'll make the most out of this unique experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.